Hi, I'm Vicki Delajoyo. Welcome to the National Qigong Association. If you've just clicked here, you might be asking, what is Qigong and is it really for me? The first thing I want you to know is that you don't need to be any particular age, shape, or fitness level. In fact, beginners are just where Qigong begins, with open curiosity, physical sensation, and deepening awareness. Second, while Qigong usually includes physical and mindful practices and movements, it's not about doing things perfectly. It's about presence. It's about discovering how your body, your breath, your intention, and your energy can be allies so that you can move through your life with more ease and resilience. Here's what you'll learn in this space: how Qigong can support you in times of stress, how it can support balance, healing, and vitality, all in ways that meet you where you are. Some people come for physical benefits and others come because they want more joy in their life. They all stay because it feels like coming home. So begin gently. Come to a free Chi Talk, explore the beginner resources, and if you feel the call, consider becoming a general member. No pressure, just possibility. So this moment right here, right now, could be the start of something simple, nourishing, and deeply yours. Welcome.